Good morning, this is Johan de Villiers with your monthly Real Estate Enigma, where we decipher the real estate market, interest rates, and the general economy for the month of July 2022. Please like this video, subscribe to our channel, and register for notifications for more interest rate and real estate news. July was a roller coaster economic month. The good news was that what is seen as a leading economic indicator pointing to the general economy in 18 months' time, the stock market had its best month since 2020. Mortgage interest rates have retreated to the levels last seen in mid-April. Home prices nationally, only for the month of May, rose another 13% on a year-over-year basis. The price at the pump gave weary holiday travelers some respite. Before you get too optimistic, all this good news was balanced by some bad news. The Fed increased its rate by another whopping 75 basis points, but it would appear as if the mortgage interest rates have already priced it in. We are officially in a recession with a second quarter of negative GDP. Mortgage applications are down to the worst levels in 20 years, confirming the slowdown in the home market. Unemployment continues to increase, and core inflation is now at the highest level since 1982. Please remember to subscribe to our channel. What can we make of it? Mostly confusing and contradictory, but stagflation comes to mind, a slowdown in the economy accompanied by rising prices, sort of the worst of all worlds. Home prices continued with their uninterrupted upward trend. For the month of May, quite a lag in data, national home prices increased by 13%. All other indicators point to a slowing of activity in the home market. The underpinning of the real estate market remains a lack of inventory that is improving with less closing sales, but we can see from the active listings in both the US and California that the situation still favors sellers. In the US, active listings in June were 619,000 as opposed to a mean since 2016 of 1,043,000. A long way to go to a normal market. In California, June active listings were 51,000 as opposed to a mean of 62,000, getting closer to normal. The days on the market confirms the seller's market underpinning of low inventory. June, the days on the market were 32 as opposed to a mean since 2016 of 63 days. Quite a way to go to normal market. Just a friendly reminder to subscribe to our channel. Thanks. This remains a seller's market and should continue to be so at least until inventory levels reach normal. As expected, the Fed increased the Fed fund rate by 75 basis points, with the conflicting economic data even suggesting a 100 basis point increase during this last meeting. Seems like the Fed is struggling with the same data we are. On an annual interest rate chart, it would appear as if the rates throughout 2022 have been increasing. Analyzing this year's interest rates on a month-by-month basis, we see a sharp increase in the first few months of the year from the historical lows, but then a weakening since mid-June back to the April levels. Across the board, interest rates ended the month lower than a month ago. If you waited a month to buy your dream home, the monthly principal and interest only payment for our 30-year fixed conventional mortgage of $500,000 will cost $225 less, and our non-QM 30-year fixed $1 million mortgage $600 less per month than in June. If you've been sitting on your hands in deciding to buy your dream home, this may be the right time to start taking action. If you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, I am now becoming quite anxious. These are difficult and uncertain times, also times for opportunities. There will be consequences of acting, but also in not acting. So, in a light-hearted manner, in today's confused economic world, Yogi Berra may have had it down. If you don't know where you are going, you might wind up someplace else. Please like this video, subscribe to our channel, and click on the notify button so that you will not miss any real estate information. Our weekly 2-minute drill and our monthly Real Estate Enigma. Have a great month.